Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to Alman House English Lessons for Grade 4. Today, we will be discussing prepositions and prepositional phrases. Okay, so the first question that comes to mind is, what is a preposition? A preposition begins a group of words called a prepositional phrase. And what is a prepositional phrase? A prepositional phrase ends with a noun or pronoun and is called the object of the preposition. Okay, so I will show you guys an example of what a preposition is and what a prepositional phrase is quickly. If we look at these three words, on her boat, okay, so the preposition in these three words would be on. Okay, and the object of this prepositional phrase is about. Okay, and a preposition like on, in, near, under, before, during, about, or without is basically a word that shows us a relationship between a noun or pronoun, which would be both in this phrase, and some other word in the sentence. So a preposition, the function of a preposition is basically to show the relationship of the noun in the prepositional phrase to other words in the sentence. Okay. So I will just read out a sentence for you guys to show you where the preposition is and how it is linked to the other words in the sentence. Okay, if we look at this sentence over here, we took a rocket into outer space. Okay, so the preposition in this particular sentence is into. And the prepositional phrase, which includes the preposition and the object of the preposition, would be into outer space. Okay. And I will show you a few more examples of where a preposition occurs in a prepositional phrase. If we look at this slide over here, okay, we have prepositions such as in, on, at, and by. Okay, so if we look at the first example, in time, this prepositional phrase includes a preposition and the object of the preposition. Okay, if we look at on, this prepositional phrase, which includes the preposition which is on and the object of the preposition, which is watch, on, watch. If we look at this prepositional phrase over here, okay, we have a preposition which is at, and the object of the preposition in this prepositional phrase is high speed. And in the last list of examples, we have the preposition by. Okay, so in this prepositional phrase, we have by as the preposition and law as the object of the preposition. So importantly to remember, in a prepositional phrase, we will always find a preposition and a noun or a pronoun that would include the object of the prepositional phrase. So quickly, I will play for you guys a video so that we can picture the preposition and the object of the preposition in a prepositional phrase and how it is used in real life. So, like we saw in this video, okay, we saw many prepositions like in, at, on, at, by, etc. Okay, so like we learned from the video, a preposition connects the object of the preposition, okay, to other words in the sentence. Like we saw, over the rainbow in the video, over would be the preposition and the rainbow would be the object of the preposition. So if we use over the rainbow in a sentence, we would say, over the rainbow, some bees and some ants took a walk. So some bees and some ants that took a walk over the rainbow is connected to the prepositional phrase would be over the rainbow. Okay. So just to summarize what we have learned today about prepositions and prepositional phrases, it's basically a group of words that connects other words in a sentence. That is what a preposition and the object of a preposition does. I hope we have understood the lesson today and we can use them in our sentences and identify them when we're reading. Thank you so much for your time and have a good day.